Stop scrolling. Ever wondered how people turn any image into perfect and recreate insane visuals from any image? In this video, I'll show you the exact method to extract prompts from any image and generate even better results with AI. Let me show you practically how to do it.
Please let me show you practically on how to generate an image prompt by just scrolling in Facebook, and you come across any image that you want to generate, or you copy the style. So let me show you. For example, I entered my Facebook, I saw this image. So what I supposed to do here is I will make sure I download the image, because the most painful part of it is if I come and check the messages, so many people are begging the person that forced this force to give them the prompt, but he's doing shakara, he's not giving them the prompt. So let me show you the smart way to get the image, and then you generate an image prompt, and then you generate your own image, replicating or that look exactly like the image. So don't worry. So after I have already downloaded the image, then I will go to cloud. I like cloud because cloud is very good. uh, so now after I've entered my cloud, then I'll click on the plus icon. Sorry, I click on the plus icon, then I'll click on photos to be able to give me a chance to upload the downloaded image. So now I have uploaded the downloaded image. Now I will write this: generate an image prompt to generate an image like this. So look up, it will automatically start generating the image, you see. So I have already automatically generated the image prompt. Then I'll copy it. Then I will go to Gemini. You can go to Gemini or you can go to ChatGPT, but you know ChatGPT, it has a limited number of image you can generate per day. But for ChatGPT, it gives us an opportunity to produce so many images per day. So you cannot even exhaust it. So now let me use one image. Let's see if we can use the image prompt we generated to produce that Arabic or Arab guy style of image. Boom, let me click it. Let's see. So let's wait for some time to see it. So we did it practically. You see this, you see it, this is the result. So instead of you to be wasting your time asking for a prompt, this is the smartest way of doing it. Thank you. So you see, I've already finished everything.